Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video we're going to start to create an automatic calculation based on a package, if package 4 or package for 4 days or package for 3 days has been selected. So what we have here, you can see here we have an option here. We'll calculate for how many days, and once it calculates for how many days, we know which package price we need to select. However, right now we have an issue, of course, as I showed you in the previous video, that what happened here right now, it will just automatically select the 4th package, or the package for 4 days 3 nights, even if you have here a 3 days 2 nights amount of stay. And the reason, of course, why that happens is we selected this, but it doesn't analyze the criteria regarding to this or that one. So what we need to do is we need to get that correct. And right now you can see our Excel template is still slightly a mess. And later on we're going to fine tune it and make it more easier to read and clean up everything what we can clean up. However, for now, let's start and focus back here and start to work on what we need to do. So let me explain how we're going to do it. We're going to use a very simple trick here. So right now we have here our VLOOKUP, right? So let's click here on the VLOOKUP, and you will see our VLOOKUP has B3, it analyzed B3, yes, and it searched here for the value of in sheet number 1, and of course here the column index number. So there's a trick here with the column index number that I really like, and this is really fun. So you can see here, this is not only a static number, but we can also select a cell. Meaning, if you can select a cell, you can start to create a new formula within something, whatever you want, right? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to use this formula trick, and this formula will automatically indicate in which column the cell we need to take, or which column number we need to get. So let me explain here right now what we're doing. Right now, you can see a column number 4 equals the 4 days 3 nights. So this is the column number 4 right now. So we select this entire column array, and this is 1 2 3 4. So this is the column 4. However, if we hit column number or for 3 days, then we can maybe move that to column number 7, which is 1 2 3 here. So 7, meaning that we need an if statement, and in that if statement should be a specific cell. So let me show you what I mean. So we're going to do this here an if statement. If, then we have here the logical test. It says this: if the amount of nights equals to number 2, meaning that it's 3 days 2 nights, then show value number 7. That's what we want. Else, if that's not the case, we can show value number 4. Let's close this and enter. So what happened now is that we can start to change this, and you can see now this column is adjusting here. So we have this, and this is a wonderful trick because now we can start to play with this. Let's play with this, and let's remove the column index number and just select this one, and let's see what happens. So now we can see everything is correct. And if we would change this to a 2 nights 3 days, what happens then is it needs to get column number 7. It should change to $84. So let's do that. So you can see here we do 23/1/2017. Now it goes to 7. And you can see here it's 2 days 3 nights. 3 days 2 nights, and this works exactly as we want. So in here now you can really start to work with it. There's of course some more tricks here, because maybe you say, hey, what happened if we have more things? Maybe you have more packages. Of course you can play around with that. However, right now, because if you look at if you look from our rates here, you can see here we have, of course, there's some additional things. We're going to extra night, then there's a fixed amount of prices. However, right now I don't want to focus on this yet. I want to just only focus on these here to get this solid. And right now this is solid, and we have now really our key focus. So this is nice. Of course, now you say, well, but what about this entire template here? It looks like a mess. Let's fix this more. So in the next video I'm going to focus on a quick design just to make it easier.